What is the EDC system? EDC means everyday care. The EDC system therefore consists of all these items, of all this stuff that we have chosen to carry with us every single day. Which items make our life easier, but also these items could help us in an unexpected situation. Also, the EDC system is how we carry all these items. So my friends, let's see what gear is in my pockets for 2024. In my right pocket, I'm always carrying the Victorinox Swiss Champ. The last 27 years I'm carrying the Victorinox Swiss Champ because of its quality, of its functionality, has any tool for any situation. Also, I have had a fire tinder on my Swiss Champ and a fire steel, just in case. I'm using a pocket clip to carrying my Swiss Champ because using a pocket clip I have a fast access to my knife. Also, I don't feel any weight. Next, in my left pocket is the Boker Access Tool Titanium Pry Bar. The Boker Pry Bar, made of titanium, so it is too lightweight, includes a nail puller, a shackle opener, a carabiner that it works as a bottle opener. Also, on the bottom includes a glass breaker. Also, I'm using a pocket clip to carrying the pry bar Boker access tool. Also, in my left pocket, I'm carrying a key holder and a backup Victorinox Swiss Army knife. I have modified an old Victorinox Swiss Army knife scales to create a personal key holder. On the scales of my key holder, I have added a tick tool remover. Also, I'm carrying a backup Swiss Army knife, a classic model, but the main reason that I'm carrying this Swiss Army knife is because it has an emergency whistle. I'm using a carabiner to carrying these items. Also, in my back pocket of my pants, I'm carrying a pocket organizer with a flashlight. The lighting is our safety, so I'm carrying a flashlight. It is the Phoenix E12, a handy quality lightweight flashlight. I'm using a quick release clip for my flashlight. Inside of my pocket organizer, I'm carrying a bit set with the Victorinox Swiss tool bit adapter. Also, a clipper lighter, some first aid and survival stuff, and last, a safety lanyard for my glasses. To carry the pocket organizer, I use the Victorinox hanger clip, which is placed on the belt without having to take the belt out. This is very handy. With this way of carrying, there is no chance of losing the pocket organizer. Also, because all the weight of the pocket organizer is on the belt and not in the pocket, I don't feel the weight of the pocket organizer at all. In the past, I put the flashlight directly in the pocket. The friction from the flashlight caused wear on the pants, so now I put the flashlight inside the pocket organizer. Next, on my left wrist always I'm carrying my Casio ProTrek watch. One of my favorite EDC accessories is my Casio ProTrek watch because it is a quality watch. It is tough solar, so not any possibility to stay out of battery. Also includes some extra handy outdoor functions like compass, barometer, or altimeter. In my right wrist I'm carrying a paracord bracelet. I'm carrying a paracord survival bracelet because it is very easy to carry it. It's there just in case. I have made many different paracord bracelets. Depending on the occasion, I choose the corresponding bracelet. However, the basic condition for all bracelets is that they must be quick release. In one of my cargo pockets of my pants, I'm carrying a cell phone. I'm carrying a cheap rugged cell phone. I don't carry a smartphone because I prefer to rely to my knowledge. I don't like to rely on the technology. And last, in one of my pockets of my pants, more often in the back pocket, I'm carrying a tissue. I'm carrying a clean one-use tissue because maybe I have to take off any dirt of my hands to clean my glasses, or it could work as a survival item like to cover a wound or to start a fire. The last year's my EDC belt is the Helicon Text Cobra Tactical. This belt is one of my favorite EDC accessories. Made by 100% nylon, it is very comfortable, very solid and very durable. The buckle made by Austrian Alpine, a brand that made climbing gear. It is quick release, very durable and secure very well. Actually is the best buckle I ever used. So my friends, with my EDC system I'm trying to cover all categories of needs. I would like to share my EDC system with you because maybe you will find some useful ideas in my EDC system. I would also like to know your own ideas about your EDC system because it could be useful for me. So my friends, I would like to wish you a healthy and happy new year. So I will see you the next year, I mean tomorrow. So thanks for your support, thanks for watching.